In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Notion, specifically focusing on mastering the undo function. This feature is invaluable because it allows you to quickly revert changes, streamlining your workflow and boosting productivity within Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or simply seeking a quick refresher, stick around and you'll be mastering this function in no time. First things first, let's open your Notion workspace. Head over to the Notion homepage, conveniently using your favorite browser. Once there, you'll find yourself at the gateway to your well-organized workspaces. This is where all your documents, wikis, and projects reside, neatly structured and ready for you to dive into. Now, proceed by clicking on the Login button to access your creative workspace. Upon clicking, you will see several options to log in. For simplicity and speed, I recommend choosing Continue with Google. This method allows you to log in rapidly using your Google account without the hassle of remembering yet another password. After opting for Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to link with Notion. If you juggle multiple accounts, make sure to pick the one connected to your Notion workspace. It's essential to keep everything centralized to avoid any hiccups in accessing your projects later. Once you're successfully logged in, let's navigate to the page where you want to test out the undo function. Begin by typing anything into a text block. It can be a word, a sentence, or even just a few characters. This action will serve as a practical demonstration of how the undo function works. And now for the magic. Undoing. If you're using a Windows PC, you'll press Ctrl+Z. For those on a Mac, it's CMD+Z. This simple yet powerful shortcut will instantly revert your last action. So, if you've made a mistake or simply changed your mind, no worries. Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z is there to save the day. With just that, you've successfully undone your previous action. This feature is incredibly helpful, especially when you need to quickly backtrack a step or two. A small trick indeed, but one that can make a considerable difference in how smoothly you work. Remember, Notion is a robust tool, and learning these little shortcuts will greatly enhance your experience, making it faster and more enjoyable. Whether you're handling complex projects or jotting down simple ideas, knowing how to undo is an essential skill. To wrap up, we've walked through logging into Notion, opening your workspace, and utilizing the undo function with keyboard shortcuts. With a little practice, these steps will become second nature and help keep you focused on what truly matters. Bringing your ideas to life. Thanks for joining this quick tutorial. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. Until next time, happy Notioning.